Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate slide on Canva. So in here, I have six pages slides, and let's say I want to duplicate one of these slides in here. So if you want to do the same, you can just follow my steps. The easiest way that you can do to duplicate a slide or page, you can just go see there's this icons in here at the top of your slide, and there will be this icons right here. So this is where you can duplicate page or slides. So when you click on that button, so you can see now the slide has been duplicated or copied in instant. Or you can also go with the thumbnail view in here. So at the bottom you can see this is the slides on my Canva. So what you need to do, you can also just click on the slide in here, and there will be this three dots icon, and here you can see the option duplicate page, or you can also use this control plus D shortcut to duplicate the page or slide. And just like that, it will be duplicated. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.